Looking for self-paced learning material, learning by doing, and a final exam preparation for IT industry certification? With an IT industry-approved training system for information technology, computer engineering, computer science, information systems, and computer technology, Smart Classroom includes from basic to advanced lab setups. Even a trainer for the Word, Asian Skills trade area. Worry no more. Here in Hytec Power, we have it in store for you. Now, turning into certification. Certifications are created by the industry for the industry. This is the competitive edge in a cutthroat job market, where as much answer the question, is there a need? Or in an industry-wide job task analysis, the MSEs or subject matter expert tells that there should be a performing ongoing maintenance, and it is highly recommended that the certification is an ANSI or ISO accredited. Do watch the video on how we can boost our qualification to land a job.
IT, one of the most diverse and fastest growing industries in the world. And with elements of IT in almost every industry, the choice of which career to pursue is endless. You could develop the next breakthrough in digital communications, or protect people's data from being sold on the black market, or even help a small startup business get ahead by being more technologically streamlined. And as technology progresses, the IT industry is going to need more and more people to help discover, manage, and secure its capabilities. But there's a problem. Right now, there's a large skills gap between the skills job seekers have and what employers need. And with so many different courses and training options out there, how can you know which one will give you what you need to land a job? So your options are either going in, starting at ground level and slowly working your way up, or taking an internship with a whole bunch of other recruits and hoping you survive the training process. Validating your skills doesn't have to be this difficult. That's where Comptia comes in. We are the leading provider of vendor-neutral IT certifications in the world. That means we can validate your IT skills across a wide range of technologies. Whether it's in networking, cloud technologies, or security, with a Comptia certification, you'll get the boost you need to get the job you want now. And because Comptia certifications are recognized globally, regardless of where you choose to work, you'll have in-demand credentials. With the Comptia certification, the world is literally your oyster.
Now, here are the benefits of the vendor-neutral certification on international standards. It focuses methodology and technology concepts. It also provides broad foundational skill set for learners, and it emphasizes global concepts across a variety of brands. And lastly, it allows learners to use skills in a multi-vendor environment. Here are the top certifications to get you hired. And amongst of the top 10 includes Comptia E+, Comptia Security Plus, and Comptia Network Plus. And the top 5 benefits of a certified IT staffs are the following. First, better able to understand new technologies, more productive, have more insightful problem-solving capabilities, better project management skills, and lastly, better communication skills, because all of those are part of the training in the certification. Comptia certifications are endorsed, mandated, and embedded by government organizations, corporate organizations, and also academic organizations here and abroad that makes up graduates globally and locally employable when they have these certifications. In line with this, the U.S. Department of Defense mandates certifications to ensure government employees have foundational level knowledge and skills to perform IT job roles. Problem arises when there is lack of foundational level in IT skills. That is why they created a directive on D8570.01-M and adopted 4 Comptia certifications on Comptia E+, Network Plus, Security Plus, and Advanced Security Practitioner. Let me give you the Comptia career pathway, starting with the core skills. Level ITF Plus is the foundational skills in IT and the basic amounts of certifications. Comptia Plus is the entry level, focuses on computer hardware. Comptia Network Plus on the networking. Comptia Security Plus on the computer security. It has infrastructure pathway which composes of Comptia Server Plus on the server administration, Linux Plus on the Linux operating system, and the Cloud Plus on the cloud computing. Next is the cybersecurity pathway, which includes Pen Test Plus or the penetration testing, CYSA Plus on cybersecurity analyst, and the CASP Plus on the advanced security practitioner. And then lastly, covering professional skills on Project Plus on the project management, Cloud Essential Plus on Cloud Essentials, and then CTT Plus on the Technical Trainers Training Program, which concludes that the Comptia certified employees are more knowledgeable, reach job proficiency more quickly, and can perform at a higher level. Here's the IT certification roadmap. From beginner or novice level, intermediate level, advanced level, and lastly, the expert level. All you need to know is to follow the color coding on what combination of certifications the student must get on their chosen skills area. In advancing IT career, you must have to plan your next move. The IT career planning path. Whenever it is on the IT support specialist, IT networking specialist, the cybersecurity specialist, the software and web developers, and then the data specialists. Here are some the list of hiring in international standards and vendor-neutral IT certification based on the Job Street International. Hiring in the Philippines for Comptia A Plus is desired and advantage. Hiring in Singapore, Comptia A Plus, Network Plus, Security Plus is required and preferred. Hiring in the US, Comptia Network Plus, Security Plus, Linux Plus, and CASP Plus is required and preferred. It all concludes that when you have Comptia certification, gets you the boost you need and to land the job, and it pays to be an IT. According to the testimonials, the Comptia certification is a ticket to a higher salary, and it is a worldwide recognition of skills. Here's the sample of the Comptia certificate that you can use for 3 years, and the Comptia ID for each certification in Comptia. Now, to sum it up, narrowing the IT skills gap, you must have to have continuous learning in IT and get certified to be able for you to work on your chosen career and continuous learning on the cycle. This is Lenny, one of the Technical Specialist Manager in ICT. Please connect me. Hytec Power, your total solutions provider.